Are you struggling to keep your factory construction projects on time and on budget? Introducing our comprehensive factory construction solutions, designed to take the headache out of your project. Whether it's optimizing the design phase, managing on-site logistics, or ensuring regulatory requirements are met, we provide end-to-end support that puts you back in control. Our team of experts leverages cutting-edge technology and proven methodologies to ensure every aspect of your construction project runs smoothly. Imagine an experience where communication is seamless, resources are managed efficiently, and your project stays within budget and schedule. With our tailored solutions, you can focus on what matters most, growing your business, while we handle the intricacies of construction management. Don't let construction challenges hold you back any longer. Take action today and discover how our team can transform your factory construction experience into a streamlined success, leaving you free to focus on your goals and achieve the results you've always envisioned. To know more details, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.